So, what is the national food of Bengalis? It is none other than Singara, mane in English samosa. Well, internationally it is samosa. So, I'll share with you now how to make samosa. So, you get these half circled, yeah, sheets made up of maida or wheat flour, and then what he's doing actually, he's taking this and then filling with this fillers, and then wrapping it up by applying some natural adhesive, which is just water of course, and then that's all. And then I'll show you how to wrap it. Okay, and then fill it up, and then adhesive, and then fold, and that's all. Fine. So here is my friend, my childhood friend Ramen. আমার ছোটবেলার ঘনিষ্ঠ বন্ধু, সে আমাকে আজকে সিঙ্গাড়া বানানো শেখাচ্ছে। আসুন আমরা সবাই সিঙ্গাড়া উৎসব পালন করি।